Are you dreaming of starting a poultry farm but not sure how many chickens you should begin with? Hello, my good people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Esther, and my channel name is Esther Farm. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to start your poultry farm the right way, how many birds to begin with, and how to avoid common mistakes that cost beginners a lot of money. Let me first of all highlight what I want to discuss with you, and the following are the points. The first one is decide what type of poultry farming. Another point I want to discuss is how many chickens do you should start with. The other point is housing and space requirements. The fourth point is feeding and budget. Fifth point is healthy vaccination and biosecurity. And the last point I want us to discuss is about the profit expectations. Now let us start with the first point, and the first point is to decide what type of poultry farming you want to start. If you want quick returns within 5 to 7 weeks, broiler farming is the best option. If you want long-term profit through eggs and meat, then layers and broilers are the best choice. Therefore, choosing the right type determines your budget, space, and how fast you make profit. If you are very new to this business, you should not start with a large number. You can start with 30 to 50 chickens, or you can start with what you have. This number is affordable, also easy to manage, and also help you to learn without losing too much money if mistakes happen. And also with these few chickens, you will learn slowly until you get enough experience. If you already have some experience or knowledge, start with 100 chickens, and this gives you better profit and teaches you the business fast. And if you are serious and ready for professional start, you can go for 200 to 300 chickens or any number you want, but this is only if you have proper housing equipment and a budget for feed. In my case, I started with just 2 chickens. So if you have 2, you can also start like me. Then I went to 50 chickens, then to 100 chickens. And right now, I can even raise 1,000 chickens. It's only that my space is not too big to hold large numbers. So start with what you have. And as I always say, start small, learn fast, and grow big. And this is the secret. Now the third point to discuss is about the housing and space requirements. Before buying your chicks or chicken, to start with, prepare your poultry house. Now, like for 50 chickens, you only need a simple 5 by 5 meter coop with good ventilation. For 100 chickens, you will need a larger 10 by 10 meter space or a vertical coop to save space. Make sure your coop has drinkers, feeders, and proper lighting, and also good airflow. And as I always say, a clean and well ventilated coop keeps your chickens healthy and growing fast. Now, point number 4 is about feeding and budget. When I talk of feeding, it is the most important part of poultry farming. Remember, this feed is 70% of your total cost. Now, like broilers, you cannot compare them with the rest of the chickens because they eat more, because they grow fast. And if you underfeed your broilers, they won't reach the market weight within 5 to 7 weeks as required. Now, like broilers and layers require feeding until they start laying eggs, and also you need to feed them well with balanced diet and enough feed. What I can advise you before you start, calculate your total feed cost for at least 1 month. Then after that, you can plan yourself. When you plan your feed budget in advance, it will save you from unexpected expenses. The fifth point to discuss is about health, vaccination, and biosecurity. In order to keep your chickens healthy, follow simple vaccination program. Like in day 1, you need to vaccinate against Malek. Day 7 against Guboro or Newcastle, depending on the shot you'll be given from where you buy your chicks. Then day 14 and day 21, and continue with vaccination schedule recommended in your area. Also practice strict biosecurity by having water with disinfectant at the entrance of every coop. Also keeping your coop clean and limiting visitors. And also isolate sick birds immediately. Healthy chickens mean high profits. Now the last point to discuss is about profit expectations, or how to expect profits. Let us now see how much you can earn. Now with these 50 broilers, you can make your profit in just 5 to 7 weeks, although not a lot of money. Large number, you can earn more. With 50 layers or broilers, the profit starts after 4 to 5 months when they begin laying eggs and giving you a daily income. And at this time, you can get some money to buy feed and thus reducing the cost of feed. The more chickens you raise, the more income you earn, but only when your management is good. Now, these are the final tips. So start small, master the basics to raise your chickens. You can also reinvest your profits by maybe enlarging your business and improve your coop set as you grow. This is how successful poultry farmers build strong business step by step. In conclusion, the number of chicks to start with will depend with what you have and the poultry house you have, whether small or big, provided your chickens are comfortable. So start now. That is all what I had for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more poultry farming tips, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any upload. So bye for now. Let's meet in the next one. Be blessed.